Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana or SIP. In both, you can claim income tax reduction of 1.5 lakh each under 80C. But which is better from an investment point of view? SIP में पैसे डालने या निकालने का आज तक कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं होता, बट सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना में मिनिमम 15 ईयर्स तक यू हैव टू डू इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड पूरे पैसे आप 21 ईयर्स होने के बाद ही निकाल सकते हो. नाउ कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन द टू फ्रॉम द फाइनेंशियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Suppose I invest 1.5 lakh for 15 years in both the schemes. So amount invested would be 22.5 lakh in both the schemes. Amount received in Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana at the end of 15 years would be 43 lakh, considering a return of 8% which has been fixed by the government. While amount received in SIP at the end of 15 years would be 63 lakh, considering an average return of 12% from the market. In Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, there won't be any capital gain tax, so you can take home entire 43 lakhs. But in SIP, there will be a capital gain tax of 10.4% in amount greater than 1 lakh rupees. So you will be taking home an amount of 59 lakh in SIP, which is around 15 lakhs more than that of Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. जिनको पैसे संभालने नहीं आते, so SSY is a dedicated fund for prioritizing girl child future, so you can also go for that.